Welcome. In front of me is a Lenovo Tab M10 Plus, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So, to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open, obviously. Now, once your content is open and visible, simply hold power key and volume down at the same time, so these two keys. As you can see, it does this kind of thing. It has a little bit of a delayed animation, and that's it. That was the indication that you have just captured a screenshot. Now, normally I'll tell you that you can find that screenshot in Photos, but I would need to update it. There we go. And without this, for some stupid effing reason, I cannot actually use it. So, without updating it, I cannot like back out of it or just press anywhere to get rid of it. So I'll just say F you Google, and I'll just do it through Files. Normally you would be able to find it in Gallery if you update it, or if yours is already updated. So, wait, not what I wanted to do. So I'm going to open up Files just so I can show you the screenshot itself, which I can do by going here, and it should be, as you can see, recent. It will show you as a recent category, and it's under screenshots, as you can see. So not hard to find. It literally creates an album specifically for this, where you'll find all the screenshots in general, like over the time that I've captured. And there we go. That's the screenshot that I have captured. So that's it. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.